Hi, it's Gabrielle, and I'm really excited to announce a new workshop that I am running on the 25th of March at 2 p.m. It's called Your Stories, Your Brand, How to Uncover Your Own Magnetic Stories. And it's based on the content of my latest book, Magnetic Stories, Connect with Customers and Engage Employees Through Brand Storytelling. So this workshop is for people who are serious about taking control of their own brand. So in the workshop, I'm going to talk to you about the power of brand storytelling. I'm going to take you through a process that will help you define your own personal brand and help you find the right stories you can share and which ones to share. You're going to learn how to share stories more effectively and where to share them. Now, the thing I want to tell you about, because the cost of this workshop is $250, but we have some incentives going on where you buy multiple copies of the book. So if you buy 10 copies of the book, you will receive this workshop for free, and you'll also receive an additional signed copy of the book. So depending on where you buy your books, some bookstores are offering some pretty good discounts at the moment, like Booktopia, for example, which are selling the books for under $24. So if you buy 10 copies from Booktopia, it's $240. You get this workshop for free and you get an additional copy. So you've sort of got 10 books you can give away to your team or to clients. And that is what I call a win-win situation. So if you're interested in taking your control of your brand and using stories more effectively to communicate and amplify your brand, I really believe you'll get some value out of not only this workshop, but out of this book. So if you're interested, take advantage of the incentives of the multiple copies, and I hope you can join us.